Welcome to 3-Minute Physics, where we do stuff. Today we are at the multi-million-dollar Oakland College Inertial Research Complex, or OCCO, where we are performing a groundbreaking experiment involving, you guessed it, eggs. Hello, Professor.
Professor D. Grace is one of the pioneers of 21st century egg technology. Studying at the University of York, he solved the meaning of life by examining the patterns on eggshells at the bottom of his coffee mug.
First, I'd like to welcome you to our state-of-the-art facility. Never mind, in this experiment we're going to spin eggs. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Well, let's get started then.
This advanced experiment involves a highly skilled professor placing their hands on a spinning egg. Please do not recreate or reincarnate this in your own home, as it has been found to result in deep scratches and friction burns to the skin.
So, what are we actually doing here, Professor?
So what we're going to do, we're going to spin the egg, and then we're just going to lightly press onto it. And then it might continue spinning, or it might stop, depending.
So this one is boiled, isn't it?
Yeah.
And I'll touch the egg.
And it stops.
It stops.
Now if I spin this raw egg, and I touch it, it keeps going.
The egg, which was hard-boiled, stops when the hand touches it because the inside of the egg is fixed in place and attached to the shell. This is not the case for the raw egg, which continues to move after it has been touched, as the inside is not attached to the shell and the inside continues to spin, pulling the rest of the egg with it. This is called inertia, the idea that an object at rest will stay at rest unless acted upon by another force, and likewise, an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by another force, for example, friction. Here, the same idea of inertia is illustrated with a crash test dummy in a car. When the car crashes and its speed is dramatically reduced, the unsecured dummy is tossed out of the car window, which smashes like an egg. The dummy has the tendency to resist change in motion because it has not been secured in the car, and is essentially its own object, with its own mass and its own forces acting upon it.
This is Clive at the Oakland College Inertial Research Complex.
Clive and the professor say their goodbyes. It was a successful day at Oak Hill College.
Eggs, spin them, inertia, that's all. Thank you.
Pretty much got that. Yeah. And that's why we wear seatbelts.